you are watching Analytics Mantra, and this is the next tutorial of the series Programming in R. And in this series, in this lecture, we will see how do we create a scatter plot. So we will be using the empty cast dataset in this tutorial, and this is the empty cast dataset that you can see that the data was extracted in 1974, and it contains the 10 aspects of automobile design, and it contains 32 variables. So 32 automobiles. So let us now define a data frame and assign it to the empty cars dataset. Empty cars dataset is already preloaded in your R Studio. So, and there are also other datasets like air passengers dataset, iris dataset that are already installed or provided in your R Studio. So we can use them by just calling them. So we have created a data frame containing the empty cast dataset, and now we will plot a scatter plot with the help of this dataset. First of all, let us see that how the data looks like. So we will print df, and let us now run the command. And so here you can see that there are various variables and various different cars over here, and various different variables like miles per gallon, cylinder, disp, HP, rate. So these are the different variables. Now let us see what is the structure. What is the structure of the data frame? And with the help of str command, and now you can see that there are 32 observations and 11 variables. So these are the 11 variables in a data set, and let us also see what are the row names, and you can see that here the row names of the data set. So let us now go ahead and create a scatter plot with the help of the data set. So to create a scatter plot, we will be using this very simple basic command plot. So we will be using plot command, and inside it we need to provide the x variable and the y variable. So x is equal to df dollar, and now you can choose any of the variable that you want. Let us now create a scatter plot between the miles per gallon and the cylinder capacity. So this is the df dollar cylinder, and we will define y is equal to df dollar and miles per gallon. So now you can also provide other variables, like you can provide the x label with the help of xlab command, and you can assign it to the cylinder capacity. You can also provide the ylab, that is y label, and provide it to be the mileage, and you can also provide the x limit and y limit of your graph. So we will set the x limit is equal to, we will use it from, you can see that from here we have the cylinder capacity like this. So we will provide it from 2 to 5 to 8, let us say, and we will provide the y limit to be 15, let us say 15 to 30, and in the same way we can also provide the title to the plot with the help of main command. Main is equal to, within the quotes you need to provide the cylinder versus mileage. So here we have written the code for the scatter plot. Now let us now try to run this command and see the output. And so here you can see the mileage of all of these variables, that how these are, the mileage is depending on the cylinder capacity. You can see that this is the scatter plot of the mileage versus cylinder capacity. So you can see that here you can also export this graph, you can also save it to PDF, you can also save it to image, you can copy this graph. So this is the way to create a scatter plot. Simple. In the same way, you can create any kind of scatter plot that you want. And in the upcoming lectures, we will see how do we create the different scatter plots and the various arguments that we can add in our scatter plots, or different kind of plots that we can plot with the help of R. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.